In the Netherlands, Killer 4NL turns ideas into powerful gaming tools. From a few lines of Visual Basic code to advanced software used worldwide, this is the DarkOffset. Here at how it's made. In the quiet corners of the Netherlands, while most people are sleeping, a different kind of workshop comes to life. There are no sparks flying from welding machines, no giant factory robots, no conveyor belts carrying steel and plastic. Instead, the workshop glows with the light of computer monitors, lines of code, and endless cups of coffee. This is the story of Killer 4NL, the creator behind DarkOffset, and how game enhancement tools are crafted from an idea into a finished product. Step 1. Finding the challenge. Every project begins with a game. Some players spend hundreds of hours collecting resources, unlocking vehicles, leveling characters, or surviving dangerous environments. Killer 4NL studies these games not as a player, but as an engineer. His mission is simple. How does the game work behind the scenes? He examines game mechanics, player statistics, inventory systems, physics engines, and multiplayer interactions. Every button press, every movement, every number on the screen is the result of thousands of lines of code. Before any tool can be built, the game's internal systems must be understood. Just like a mechanic learns how an engine works before modifying it, a software developer learns how a game processes information before creating enhancements. Step 2. The blueprint. With the game's inner workings mapped out, the planning stage begins. This is where Visual Basic enters the story. For Killer 4NL, Visual Basic acts like the drafting table in a traditional factory. Menus are designed, buttons are positioned, user interfaces are sketched out. The goal is to create something simple enough for anyone to use. A player should not need to understand memory addresses, debugging tools, or programming languages. Instead, they see a clean menu with options such as God mode, unlimited resources, teleport functions, vehicle editors, ESP, systems, aimbot controls, speed modifiers. Every option begins as a simple concept before becoming a fully functioning feature. Step 3. Building the engine. Now the real manufacturing begins. Thousands of lines of code are written and tested. Each feature is assembled piece by piece. For survival games such as Green Hell, developers create systems that monitor hunger, thirst, stamina, and health. DarkOffset's tools interact with those systems to modify how they behave. For racing games such as Forza Horizon 6, editors can modify vehicle statistics, rewards, and unlock systems. For action games such as Seeking Justice in the Galaxy, advanced combat features may include aim assistance, ESP overlays, and weapon modifications. Every function must be carefully integrated into a single interface. Like assembling a sports car, every component has to work perfectly with every other component. One broken line of code can stop the entire system. Step 4. The testing lab. No product leaves the workshop without testing. This stage can take longer than the development itself. Features are enabled, features are disabled, values are adjusted, menus are redesigned, crashes are investigated, unexpected behavior is eliminated. According to DarkOffset, tools are regularly tested and updated to remain functional after game updates and anti-cheat changes. In software development, testing is where patience becomes the most important tool in the workshop. workshop. Step 5. Designing the control panel. A powerful engine is useless without a dashboard. That is why DarkOffset places a strong focus on user-friendly overlays and menus. Instead of editing files or typing commands, users interact with graphical controls. Sliders adjust values. Checkboxes enable features. Buttons trigger actions. The result is a control center that allows complex functions to be managed from a single screen. Much like the cockpit of an aircraft, hundreds of technical operations are simplified into a few easy controls. Step 6. The loader. Once the software is complete, it needs a delivery system. DarkOffset uses a custom loader that manages downloads, authentication, updates, and launching the enhancement tools. The goal is to make the process as simple as possible for the end user. From the user's perspective, the process is straightforward. Launch the game, open the loader, select the desired tool, press inject, play. Behind that simplicity lies countless hours of engineering and testing. Step 7. Continuous maintenance. Unlike physical products, software is never truly finished. Game developers release patches, new content arrives, systems change, anti-cheat technology evolves. That means the work never stops. The workshop remains active. Updates are written, features are expanded, compatibility is restored, new ideas are transformed into new tools. Every update begins the manufacturing process all over again. And so, deep in the Netherlands, while gamers explore virtual worlds, Killer 4NN continues refining digital creations inside the DarkOffset workshop. There are no factory sirens, no forklifts, no assembly lines, only glowing monitors, endless testing sessions, and the steady rhythm of software development. From an idea scribbled on a notepad, to a visual basic interface, to thousands of lines of code, to a finished product used around the world, this is how DarkOffset is made.